Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 3D text in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show create 3D text. Now go to the text box. Now draw a text box. Now text from. Now select from text. Now going to the home menu option, then bold. Now text from size. Now going to the format option, text format menu option, then click for a text effect option. Now click for a reflection bevel option. Now click for a 3D option. Now click for top bevel and click choose. Now click for OK. That is. Now again select from text. Now go into the text effect option. Now click for a bevel option. Now click for choose color. Now click for shadow. Now insert shadow. That's it. Then we show character text in publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.